Hey guys, Nick here from Your House Fitness. Today I'm going to show you how to do a leg raise. So, we're going to go on our back. This exercise is going to be working our hip flexors and our lower core. Okay, from here, I'm going to, most important out of everything I tell you today, I want you to have your back flat against the ground. If we're having this arch or the space under my lower back, we're not going to be working on the proper muscles. We're going to be actually kind of creating poor postures, and this exercise will be kind of useless. So from here, my back's flat into the ground. Take your hands, force them into the ground. We're going to take our toes, point them so that our quads and toes are flexed, and then from here we're going to raise our legs straight up, just like so. And you don't have to go super deep, especially if when you go lower, your back arches up. We're only going to go as deep as we can, keep our back flat into the ground. So again, common mistakes, back would be arching. Yeah, so the muscles that the leg raise works, basically the hip flexors, which control the leg raising and lowering. These get often really tight when you're sitting all day with this knee up in the sitting posture. So this is actually a really good exercise to lengthen and contract the hip flexors, which are chronically tight. So when we get the motion through them, we'll have a lot lower chance of injuring them, and it'll help us out through our daily movements, through squats, through deadlifts, any kind of movement where you're going to bring your knee up towards your chest. This movement, leg lifts, is a great addition because we're going to be doing basically the same thing, bringing our knee up to our chest. To make this a little easier, you can also keep your knees bent. So you can do leg raises like this. You could even bring them down slowly with your legs straight, tuck your legs in, straighten your legs again, lowering it here. Get a few more reps working on just that eccentric lengthening of these hip flexors. So